y'all? It's Barber Cuts, your favorite female barber, coming straight out of Brooklyn. And I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. Make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please stay tuned because every single Monday, I'm going to be posting a new video. Now let's get into it.
Today we are back at it with another fade, but this time instead of fading into skin, we will be fading into a 000. Like my last video, I always start off my fades with my clippers all the way open to create my first guideline. Now I have my Andis Masters closed all the way to begin fading out that bottom line. Now I'm going to go with my number 0 guard open all the way to create that next guideline. I'm fading on a slant because that's the direction his hair grows. When fading, you want to be sure that you pay attention to which direction the hair grows so you get an even blend. Now I have my Andis Masters all the way closed and I'm beginning to blend down. So now I'm going to take my number 0 guard off and go back in with my clippers all the way open to be sure that we have a very even blend leading back down to our 000. Now I'm going to put on my number 1 guard and open the clipper all the way to create that next guideline. Again, you want to be sure to fade in the direction that the hair grows. Now I have my clippers all the way closed and I'm beginning to fade down. Now we are back at it again with the number 0 guard to do a final cleanup on the bottom half of this fade. It may seem like I'm doing the same steps over and over again, but every time I go up to a higher guard, I love to come all the way back down to make sure that that fade is as clean as I can get it. So now I'm going to go in with my Wahl designers with the 1.5 guard on all the way open to create that final guideline. And now I'm going to just work my way back down to a 000 to make sure that we have that blend nice and even. Now I'm going to finish the rest of this fade off of camera and we're going to jump right into the lineup. We're going to first start off by picking out the beard fully to make sure that it's all the way detangled. Now when lining the bottom and the sides of the beard, you want to be sure to follow the natural shape of their jawline. Now when it's time to line the top part of the beard, I personally prefer to start with the arch and then work my way down. Now I'm going to connect the bottom half of his beard to the top part of his arch so we create the perfect C shape. And as you can see, I'm not placing the blade flat on his face, but instead I'm using my corners. Now I'm going to go in with my Andis Masters all the way open to begin slightly fading the top part of his beard. If you have trouble freehand fading, you can always use guards to execute this part of the cut. Now we're going to begin lining the top part of his hairline. I always start from the middle and work my way to either end. Now I'm going to finish the rest of his lineup off of camera. If you guys like the end result, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please stay tuned because every single Monday, you guys know I'm back at it with another video. Thank you guys for watching.